Hello, I hope you're having a great day so far. It is Tuesday, May 4th, and on Tuesdays we do science and sensory. This week our theme is bugs, and so we are doing science. We're actually going to do a couple of things. Right now what we are doing in the classroom is we are growing some butterflies. I got some grow your own butterflies at the cup of caterpillars. This one I got about 2 weeks ago, and you can see that they have already gone into their little chrysalises. And because they have gone into the chrysalises, they did that yesterday. We have to wait 3 days before we can put them in our butterfly garden. Once the 3 days are over, we will take the cap off, we'll put them in this, and then we'll put them in the little butterfly garden so that when they emerge from their chrysalises, they'll have a safe place. They're not going to be fluttering around in our room. So this is what our caterpillars look like before they turn into chrysalises. They come in this cup, and can you see them moving around a little bit? This little guy right here is moving around here. They come in this cup, and this cup has all of the food and liquid that they need. It only takes about 7 or 10 days for them to become to grow into the chrysalises. So we're going to do this learning about the life cycle. A butterfly has four areas of the life cycle. We have eggs. They came to us before, or they were eggs before they came to us. They become caterpillars, then they become a chrysalis, and then they become butterflies. So we are going to make our little life cycle of a butterfly. I guess it's kind of a craft. So what we need for this is we need this printout, which you should have gotten at home. I'm going to cut this out. One of the things that why don't I just go ahead and read the supplies. We need a paper plate. I have a paper plate. We need a scrap of green construction paper. We have small white pom-poms. We need some tissue paper. We've got some colorful tissue paper for our butterfly, and then we have some green tissue paper for our chrysalis. We need pipe cleaners. We need one for the butterfly, and then we need one for the caterpillar. We need a pencil, and I don't have a pencil. I might have to go get a pencil. We'll see. We need some school glue. We need scissors. We need a small twig from outside. We'll probably have to break this. And the tempera paint is for painting the paper plate. I am not going to paint the paper plate this time. And then we have the free butterfly life cycle template. So the first thing we're going to do, the first thing they want you to do is, if you're going to paint it, go ahead and paint your paper plate and let it dry. And then the next thing that we need to do is we're going to cut out our template for the life cycle. And then we're going to glue it to the center of the paper plate. If you have glue sticks, this is something that a glue stick would work for, but I have glue sticks, but I don't see no reason to go get glue sticks when I have regular school glue right here as well, and that works just as good. Oh look, I have multiple plates. Really only need one. So we are going to we might need a new bottle of glue. Maybe I'll just take a little bit of glue out. Put it on our There we go. That works. You gotta improvise. And then we're gonna glue this to our paper plate like that. Then what we're going to do is we are going to take our piece of green, scrap of green paper. I think this is what you needed the pencil for. I'm just going to cut out a leaf and freehand it. We're going to cut out a leaf from the construction paper. There's a leaf. Then we are going to glue that. I don't want too much glue. Actually, it looks like maybe this might be too big for my little space. There we go. That'll work. So we're going to glue our leaf to the egg spot. So we've got eggs. And then we're going to take our little mini eggs, they're little baby pom-poms, and we're going to glue our baby pom-poms. See if maybe this will work now. They're little bitty pom-poms. It still doesn't want to come out, does it? I got an idea. I'm going to use the stick to put a little bit of glue. There's one. Little spot. See, like I said, you improvise with what you need, or with what you've got. And then we're going to put one of the pom-poms on each of the spots of glue. So we have 3 little eggs on our leaf because butterflies lay their eggs on leaves and usually on the underside of a leaf. So then when the eggs hatch, they become little caterpillars. So we have a piece of, I don't think we need this long, a piece of pipe cleaner that looks kind of like a caterpillar, I think. So we're going to cut this up, and oh, the other reason that we needed the pencil was to wrap the pipe cleaner. We're going to wrap it around. You either wrap it around a pencil or a pen or a marker, so that it looks like a caterpillar. Now it's stuck to my twig. It doesn't want to come off. There we go. Oh, he still doesn't want to come off. There. So there we've got a little pipe cleaner that looks like a caterpillar. And we're going to use our stick again to put some glue on the paper plate because we're going to glue our caterpillar. There's our caterpillar. So the next part is a chrysalis. So what we need to do is we're going to glue a small piece of a twig because in the wild, like in outdoors, the caterpillars, when they are done eating, they will attach themselves to the underside of a leaf, or they will attach themselves to a twig, and that's where they become a chrysalis, like our caterpillars here. They have attached themselves to the underside of the cap. And then what we're going to do is we are going to, it says cut a piece of the tissue paper that it's 2 inches by 3 inches. So I'm just eyeballing it. I have no idea what 2 inches by 3 inches is. And then what we're going to do is we are going to twist the top and the bottom to form a chrysalis shape. Okay, wait a minute. This is what my problem is. I've got a big rectangle. There we go. I think that looks like a chrysalis, don't you? And then we're going to glue this to our twig. Hopefully, when you do this, you will have a bottle of glue that works. There you go, there's our chrysalis. And then, after the caterpillar becomes a chrysalis, then it emerges from the chrysalis after about 7 days and it becomes a butterfly. So, for the butterfly, oh look, on the directions, I'm so very sorry. When I sent this home to you, I decided that it was necessary for you to, oh no, it just says chrysalis section twice. I do have the actual directions for the butterfly. I just called it a chrysalis a second time. So we need about a 2 by 2.5 inch piece of tissue paper. And we are going to gather this in the middle. And then we're going to take our pipe cleaner and we are going to bend it in half. And then we're going to twist it so that you have a butterfly. And then we're going to glue our butterfly. Oh look, I decided to glue the chrysalis to the butterfly. Oh well, you know what I'm talking about, right? Maybe we'll just move this. Aha, guess what? I moved it and it worked. And then we can glue the butterfly. All done. That is our life cycle of a butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this. This was lots of fun. I will continue to show how our painted lady butterflies, the caterpillars, are growing. All right? Bye guys, have a great day.